Hey, your car guy, Bill DeBoer, over here at DeBoer's Auto. Just wanted to make a quick video and talk to you about an open house that we're doing. We're going to do an automotive career night here at DeBoer's Auto. It's going to be April 16th from 6 to 8 p.m. And this is open to any Sussex County residents, the parents or high schoolers. You're more than welcome to come down, check out our open house. We're going to be talking about everything automotive and what a career could look like in the automotive space. Obviously there's the technician in front of it, the technical training that goes into it, but there's a number of different ways that you can enter into the automotive field and have an experience in a very lucrative and successful and satisfying career in our space. And we're going to be talking about all that on April 16th from 6 to 8 p.m. We're going to talk about independent versus franchise stores or dealership life. We'll talk about what all the different career paths are within our space and what's available, and even outside of our space, like how you can take a technical automotive education and apply it into way more categories, if you will, that are related but not always thought of. So we're going to unpack all this. We're also going to go through the different ways that you can gain that technical knowledge. There's all different routes of education paths with obviously varying costs involved, and these are important decisions. If you're looking to get into the trades, you're looking to get into automotive, you're going to want to be here that night and check us out and see what we have going on. Again, it's April 16th from 6 to 8. We are requiring people to register, so head on over to our website at autorepair.shop to register now.